Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I just received my parcel like literally just then, and here it is. It is a live plant inside, and I'll show you guys what it is, and we'll do the whole unboxing in a second. After we open this package, I will just be giving you guys a little plant update, so stick around and let's get unboxing on this first. Just a little note and some plant care tips that you can scan. Trying to figure out the best way to get this out without getting stuff everywhere and ruining it. Look at that packaging. And we have it out. Here she is. There's actually more leaves on this than I actually thought there would be. Some of it is a little damaged in transport, but majority of it is fine. This is the Oxalis triangularis, also known as false shamrock or purple shamrock, and it's known for these beautiful triangle purple leaves. And then you've got the pretty purple flowers on the top. These plants, they actually move and open and close during the day or night. So because it's been in this cardboard box and it's been in the dark, the leaves are kind of closed up now, but throughout the day it will actually follow the sun and it will open. I think it's a little stressed right now from being transported. I'm so excited to have this. I have this beautiful ceramic pot. This is from Bunnings. It's the perfect pot. I love this. Oh, so pretty. So apparently these will go dormant if you have this plant and it's gone through dormancy. Please do let me know what to expect. Next we have a couple of Alocasias. This one we have here is the Alocasia mazanika or Alocasia poly, and this is the dwarf version. I also purchased this from Verdant Dwellings. It's so small and cute. When I got this, there was only these leaves here, and since then it's shot out a massive new leaf. This leaf is just so beautiful. I have a plant shelf outside and I actually put these on a north facing window. It doesn't get any direct sunlight and it's right next to a humidifier, so I think that really helps it. Foliage is just so pretty. Like, I love the contrast of the veins and the dark green on it. I just feel like this kind of reminds me of like dragon scales. You know how they've got that mean instead of scaly look? It reminds me of that, and I thought this was so cool. It's one of my favorite plants. I absolutely adore these. Moving on to my next Alocasia. This one has been on my wish list since forever. And this is the Alocasia Silver Dragon. New leaf literally just popped out. It's just so perfect. So this one I got from a store in Sydney, Green Beans. With these, I don't know what's going on with the tips of the leaves, but some leaves are yellowing as well. But if you guys have tips or, you know, insights on what's going on with these leaves, please do let me know. I just think these are so beautiful. Like, they come out this light green color and then it slowly changes to this silvery green color, and the leaves are quite hard. I think by looking at the stem, there may be another one coming up from this as well. Fingers crossed. We have one more Alocasia. This is the Alocasia Black Velvet. It's got these really dark velvety textured leaves that almost looks black, and the really light contrast veins in the leaves. I think this is so pretty. When I purchased this, there was only about 2 leaves on this. Now it's already shot out 2 in a period of a month and a half, and it's got a 3rd one coming. I can see it, so I'm super excited. This one also has a bit of yellowing on the tips on the older leaves, not the new ones, and I don't know what's going on with this either. If it's the same issue, do let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, the new leaves are pretty healthy. They look amazing. Another new one's on the way. Next up, this is one of my absolute favorite plants. This is the watermelon peperomia. and it's just so adorable. Foliage, or the leaves, they look like little mini watermelons. These actually grow quite fast. It's already so full. When I first got it, there weren't that many leaves, but now it's just grown into this cute little pot, and I'm loving the way it looks. The foliage is just looking so lush and so beautiful so far. So this also sits in bright indirect sunlight next to a humidifier. This plant I wanted to show you guys as well. This one has been on my wish list since forever, and I feel like I've been hunting this down for months. This is the Aglaonema Spitfire. I finally got my hands on one. This is also from Verdant Dwellings, and they sent it over. I was so happy. Since then it's popped out 3 or 4 leaves now, and they're all just like this vibrant pink color. Pink is my favorite color, so I am literally obsessed with this plant. I think it's so beautiful. I went to get a pink pot for it. I'll wait till this grows and gives me lots and lots of pink leaves. So another new plant that I got is this beautiful one here. This is the Zamiculus zamapholia, which is also known as the ZZ plant. Look how big she is. So I actually just got this from Bunnings, and it was actually a lot more full. I've already propagated this twice, and I've split it into 2 pots. This is what's left of it, and it's still super full, and it was such a bargain. So this big pot plus the 2 that I split it up was only $23. These ones are super easy to look after. I don't even touch them. I don't even do anything with them apart from propagating them. I think I've only watered them about twice, maybe once every 1 to 2 months. The final thing that I'll be showing you guys today is a terrarium that I got for Christmas. So this is my first terrarium. You only really need to spray it and water it with filtered water maybe once every 6 months. Inside this terrarium I've got some nerve plants, a calathea there, and also another Aglaonema. I think that's a pink valentine. This has also started to open up towards the end of filming, so I wanted to insert this clip and show you guys how beautiful this is. The leaves are no longer closed, they've opened up, and as you can see, they're leaned towards one way, so they're all facing this way at the moment because I had it right next to the window here next to me, and they're all like drawn to the light. Okay guys, so that is all for my plants updates. Thank you so much for watching. As always, let me know what your favorite plant is, what is next on your wish list. I'd love to hear from you. Also looking forward to your care tips if you have any as well. Please remember to like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Otherwise I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!